For more information, see the description below. Namaste.
Take Pandraviti.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कविनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणं ब्रह्मणस्पताना शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ गणपतये नमः. A good
You are in
thing
which Pandraviti now?
is that I did some protection yesterday to the book.
Today we did not open that.
Yeah, but look, if it was not today, it's today, so it's protected. So we are on 18 after Naikanta,
Yeah, Naikanta. Ekanta, Naikanta next one.
Apavarga. It's going to be page. It was around page 10. So, Ekanta, it's page 10. Naikanta, it's page 12. And then we have
Apavarga. Apavargastu. Read.
Apavarga, 18. Apavarga. Definition, Nirukti of Apavarga.
Apavarga.
Okay.
No, very difficult. Okay. It will not come to you.
Okay. Apavargastva, Naivitya,
Apavargastu
Twa,
anau. To anau. Apavargaha plus 2 plus Apavargaha plus you write first splitting, then you read. Apavargaha plus Vargaha plus 2 plus
2 plus
Anaujityat plus
Anaujityat
plus
plus
Itarokti plus
Itarokti
plus Apavarjanam.
Apavarjanam.
Yeah.
Okay? Done. Apavargastva
Apavargastaun Anaujitya 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 Anauchitya
Okay. Anauchityadi Dyati.
Don't split it.
Okay.
Apavargastu Anaujityaditaro Apavarjanam. You see, I am reading, you see, listen. Apavargastaunaujityaditaro Apavarjanam. Apavargastaunaujityaditaro Apavarjanam. Read. Anauchityaditaro Apavarjanam. So Apavargaha means Apavarjanam. You know what is the meaning of Apavarjanam?
It was said that exception, I think. The word he used here in the explanation was exception.
Apavarjanam exemption. Yes. Apavarjanam, keeping separate.
Keeping
separate, different. Varjate means rejecting. Apavarjate.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Yes. Ita.
Itarokti apavardhana. Itarokti plus apavardhana.
Itarokti.
Plus apavardhanam.
Yes. What is
So
itarokti?
what is the meaning of? One more word is there, na? Anaujitya. Na aujityad anaujitya.
Okay.
Unsuitability. Unsuitability.
Okay.
Itarokti. Itaresham ukti. Itaresham ukti. Others' speech or opinion. Others' speech or opinion.
Okay.
Apavarjanam. Rejection. Keeping separate.
Okay.
That's all.
The two here is going to be the two here.
Which two?
The avyaya two. Apavarga two.
Yes.
You're going to be yes.
Tu means it is an avyaya with the
Yes.
meaning. Actually, the famous meaning is tu or let.
Okay.
Or let. But or let. These are the two meaning. So let abhavarjana is, you understand it as let abhavarjana here.
About.
About abhavarjana, that's the thing.
Okay.
So give me the complete meaning of that in a sentence. Avarga is defined as the rejection of others' opinion or speech as they are not suitable.
Okay.
Let us see the example. You read the example.
Rasaha Swadhu Amla Lavana Tiktoshana Kashayaka Ityadina
Ityadina
Rasa Shad Rasa Shad What is this? Tu Kta. What is this? Kta Ktamu. What is that?
Is it?
First letter. Kta.
Shatkam, Rasa Shatkam. Where the kapratyaya will be used? Tell me.
Shadkam.
Tell me. Where the kapratyaya is used? Ka is a pratyaya. One example I taught you.
It's going to be about the kaha, ka, okay, cha.
Kapratyaya suffix.
Ah,
Balaha, balakaha.
okay.
So, Shadkam
Ah,
means 6 in reference to the properties.
Okay. Of six properties.
It is not 6 numbers, 6 with reference to the properties. That
properties.
means he is concising that in 6
Atmakam.
itself. Say. Okay. Shatkam.
Muktam ma.
Shatkam ukta. Uktam acharyena.
Uktam
Acharyena.
acharyena
Asankyeya.
asankyeya
Rasa.
rasa
Iti.
iti
Kankayanaha.
Kankayana.
You know, Kankayana was a scholar of that time. Kankayana is the name of the scholar. What he was telling that there are aneka rasas. Who told Kankayana?
Okay.
But our author he told that rasaha swadvamla lavana diktoshna kashayakaha shat, where he used the word two. Same example you can show it. Vayu pittanka paschedi prayogadosha samasata.
Okay.
Okay. There also with which word he is defeating all others? Trayaha as well as samasata.
Okay.
Okay. These all places what is there? What is there?
Apavarga.
Apavarga is there. Others' view are objected here by using this. Clear?
So when Atreya,
by naming and giving,
this is it.
by naming and giving the number
Okay.
another rejects the views of others in that particular subject.
Okay. So when Atreya is presiding the
Yes.
discussion about Shadrasas, and in the end he makes a statement, it's also kind of Apavarga.
Which one's again?
When there are several discussions in Charak.
Ah,
One of them is about the number of rasas.
yeah. Anything. He is naming and he is telling this much. Then automatically he is objecting the numbers told by others.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Clear? So such a Tantra Yukti is called Apavarga Tantra. Some places they will object. Some places without objecting, you can understand that. By this you can understand that there are some other views existed at that time.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
It is very much needed for understanding a textbook. So today there was a discussion about Pushta. So some scholars, there are some Sankhya Samprati, Mahapushtas are seven, and Shudra Pushtas are even. Sure, sure. Okay, thank you.
Yes, there was a discussion
I
about
told you
Pushta.
discussion about Pushta.
Mhm.
There are numbers 7 Mahapushtas and 11 Shudra Pushtas.
Mhm.
Okay. So it was very clear for them that there are only 7 Mahapushtas and there are only 11 Shudra Pushtas. When they were writing the textbook, when Charaga was writing the textbook.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Mhm.
So why he has numbered them? It would have been the reason that there were scholars who wanted to include more numbers in Mahapushta and Shudra Pushta.
Where is Kshudra?
Shudra is a type of Pushta and
Okay.
Maha is a type of
Okay.
Pushta.
I can understand where is Kshudra.
Shudra means very difficult to cure
Okay.
and they are not very powerful, they are very mild.
Okay.
You know there is a
They are
Viruddha-
chronic.
there is a
The
Madhu
other-
Madhu called Kshaudra.
Okay.
It is the among the Madhus the lightest property that which is possessed by this Kshaudra. It is a very good medicine because it is not that much powerful rasa like other mathus. There are so many mathus. Among the mathus, Chaudram is generally used for medicinal purpose because it is very mild in problem. In the case of diseases, they will be very mild, but they may not be able to completely cure. They will be reoccurring.
This is chronic diseases.
It's not chronic. It automatically reoccur. It will not go to the higher, very powerful level. The mild level only it will remain, but it will keep on continue. You cannot remove them from the root.
Like herpes. In English is herpes.
There are some skin diseases.
And the Maha
Automatically
is
the
acute.
season comes, it will come. Automatically this is Maha means you can cure. You can cure. Very difficult. That means perfect dosha involvement and perfect causes, and you can clearly.
Okay.
You should not take it as Maha means big and Shudra, not like that. Maha is curable diseases with the perfect involvement of doshas. The other one is the perfect involvement will be less, but the power also will be less, but it cannot be completely removed. Shudra.
Another doubt. When Dr. Gigi is explaining about 3 levels of lagu and 3 levels of anything, he says 3 words. One that it's it should be something like ati lagu.
That is Hina Mithyati.
Hina mitya.
That
No,
is the
not
usual.
mitya.
Sure.
No,
Hina,
he is-
Madhya and Ati.
He madhyam.
Madhya they will
Madhyam.
use. Madhya they will use.
Okay, clear. Done.
Madhya is the term generally everywhere it will be used. Hina, Madhya, Ati.
Okay.
Less, average, high.
But
Low, average.
alpa is also less.
Actually, that is called as Hina.
Okay. But Hina doesn't
Hina
necessarily
is
imply.
negative. Hina is negative. Hina Matra.
But there is only the idea of
Hina yoga.
a little bit, more than a little bit. It's not negative idea. It's just the amount. So maybe it's
I'll
alpa.
tell you one thing. If the involvement of dosha is not very...
No, but this is not about dosha. This
Listen.
is about guna.
Guna, okay.
He's
So
saying about
something is
if
having
it's a little bit lagu or medium lagu or highly lagu.
Yeah, a little bit lagu means it is not going to harm you.
Yeah, but the Sanskrit word there is going to be alpa or is going to be hina? Because hina usually is deficient, right?
No,
It has a
no,
negative
it is
sense.
less only.
Less only.
Less.
Okay. Done.
Hina matra means low matra.
Okay.
If it is Shakti, Hina Shakti, then you will come into the...
Negative sense.
Yeah.
Okay. Understood. Done with apa.
Hina, Una, etc. shows the meaning less, absence.
Alpa is also less.
Alpa is less, but I told you, quantity wise, quality wise, some action wise. Like this, you can change the words.
Okay. Done. Should we read the example or it's okay already about the apavarga?
Ah.
We said about rejection, objection of others.
Yeah,
It's clear.
yeah. So from that, he will not openly reject. But if he is mentioning, listen, if he is mentioning the name along with the number, certainly you can understand that there are some other opinion.
But I'm saying only this number is.
There are some other opinions existed at that time. That is not being accepted in this text.
Okay.
That you must understand.
Okay. Clear.
Clear?
Very
He
important.
never said that it is wrong. He never said that I am not accepting. But he, in his textbook, he is mentioning the name as well as the number. From that, a reader should understand that at the time of the author, there was difference opinion in this particular subject matter. That is why this author is naming and numbering perfectly.
Because if he is not numbering the name, it is implying that can be different views. But if he is saying the
very
number,
clear, very clear.
it's
It cannot
because
be changed now. Clear?
we should read only along with the number. Okay.
So rejection of others' view without openly expressing and making his point very clear. Clear?
Okay.
With the number and name. With the proper specification.
Okay. Okay. Shall we go to Vipayamya?
Yes. So that example you write
The example. Yes.
for Abhavarga.
You want the
Generally, write down. Generally, the informations given with proper specification like names and numbers it implies that there were different opinions there were different opinions
Okay.
there were different opinions in that
That subject.
in that subject and the author doesn't accept it.
Okay. Done. Please do.
Clear for you?
Yes.
Example, numbering the tastes 6 along with numbering the tastes in bracket rasa 6 rasas 6 tastes along with their names implies that
It's okay. Or doshas with number 3.
there were different opinions like many rasas or 2 rasas, 3 rasas, like these opinions were existed. Okay?
Clear, clear.
Clear?